Hello, my dear CBSE aspirants, all my lovely students. There is a very important update from CBSE, and this is an official update. And please make sure you listen to the video till the end because there is a possibility if you make a mistake, you might not be allowed to register for the board examination. So, listen in carefully. This is for all the class 9th and 11th standard students. Okay, basically, those students who are going to write the CBSE board examination in 2027. So, where to get this official notice? I'll explain. Don't panic. All right. Go to cbse.gov.in. Very popular website. Oh, and by the way, before going ahead, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also like the video, or else what will happen? You will miss such important critical updates. So I hope you have liked the video and join the channel or subscribe to the channel. Okay, great. So first of all, go to cbse.gov.in, click on main website, go down a little bit. Latest updates you can see over here. Okay, so following accuracy while submitting registration data for class 9th and 11th 2025-2026 registration, but this is for CBSE 2027. Click on that. This particular document will open up. Okay, so watch it, read it carefully. To all the principals of all the schools, following accuracy while submitting registration data for 9th and 11th standard students. Now, although the message has been directed to all your school heads or principals, but it is also important, they mention it in fact here, it's also important that the students also go through it. So, it's very critical for all of you because you will have to ask your principal, headmaster, class teacher, or whosoever is in the administrative staff if the data over there is correct or not. Because all the schools have been given a detailed notification regarding the prerequisites to fill the registration data, along with the importance of correct and timely submission of registration data by all the affiliated schools for all the students. All the schools are directed to go through the circular meticulously, and this is the first step towards preparation. This is the first step to prepare for the 2027 board exam. The staff who will be engaged for filling up the data of all the candidates should be made aware of all the guidelines which are laid down in the circulars to avoid any mistakes, and parents should also be briefed regarding the importance of correct data, timely data. The consequences arising thereby of wrong data submission are also given. They have to ensure 100% data is correct for all the kids. Now, what is this data? Basically, your student data, your name, your whatever address, your domicile, your father's name, everything, birth date, everything. Now, this data needs to go to the CBSE board. All the schools which are tied up, they have to mandatorily send. These many students are studying. These are the birth dates. These are the ages. These many girls. These many boys. This is a class 10. Everything. Now that data has to be correct. Fine. But you know what used to happen? People used to think that okay, I can give my data correctly in 12th standard. They are asking no, not in 12th, in 11th only. And for 9th students, don't think you have to give the data in 10th. You have to give it in 9th standard only. They are asking 1 year in advance before your board examination. Got my point? Okay. Now, why will this data not be there or incorrect? Maybe when the school was writing down all your details, you are not present in the school or you are not well. Okay. Maybe your name was mistakenly left out or deleted for some reason. Some technical failure happened. Your data is not right, data is absent, data is missing, data is deleted. You need to make sure that your school is sending your data correctly on time with all the proper details. Check for spelling mistakes, any dot, comma here and there, everything properly. If any student is left from registration and the request is made next year, that is in 2026, for the 2027 board exam, the request will not be accepted and the school will not be allowed to sponsor any such student for 2027 exam. That is why a class 9th and class 11th student may miss the exam if the data was missing or deleted or not correct. So that is why it is very important. The principals are once again directed to ensure accurate submission of the data before the last date and without any late fee. and the last date is 16th of October 2025. Barely 7 days are there. I know some of you might be having Dashera, Diwali, whatever vacations, but please get in touch with your class teacher, headmaster, principal, and see to it that the data submitted is on time and proper. Got it? So this is the very important update. First of all, I hope you have liked the particular video and subscribe to the channel. And yes, last 3 days barely remaining for registering for MVSAT. This is the Mega Vedantu Scholarship Admission Test for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. All CBSE, JEE, NEET aspirants, make sure you are registering for it because lakhs of students are giving this exam. Not only will you know where you stand among these kids, you will also get scholarships and prizes from a pool of worth 2 crore, right from tickets to Singapore, and then iPads, tablets, headphones. So many things are there, and you are competing in your own category because the syllabus depends on which category you are mentioning: 11th, 12th, 9th, 10th, etc. And obviously you will get a fancy new 360-degree report card. So register for it now. It's very simple. Click on this particular button, enter your details, and that's it. The exam is going to be conducted, just few days from now on 11th and 12th of October. Okay. So make sure you're registering for the examination, right? So those were the critical updates. I hope you are going to take care of it. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. Bye-bye.